Kumasi Asante Kotoko ombesa mobilize van beko Accra.
Oh, okay.
220.
Okay.
Inti almost say by Friday na pay the expected numbers are on board. Inti se we Kotokoni and I say we football enthusiast na opese okore the Air Classico no Accra. The amount at stake 220. Now obe send this canoe to Mr. Dusey and the number 0244 549198 0244 549198. We Mr. Dusey number or send this is or do the expected passengers no said they on Sunday. You know, ebetimi akwa PM Accra Sports Stadium near akwa witness Ghana's Super Clash.
Okay.
Eugene intimidation on that. Me dasi. Mesre say Bismarck Emma mi Peter Amidu akwa image. Eugene. Yebetimi de nana penkra ho channel on so many instances. But on Peter Amidu akwa de Eugene. I think the management together with the technical team, they are not helping matters at Asante Kotoko.
I didn't hear.
Eugene, Peter Amidu Akwa was a member of Kotoko's first trial since yedi eduman man and nape krakwesi yewa. After that trial no so na almost say man forecast say Kotoko is too big say obey trials. That was the first trial.
And I buy the third season.
Yes.
The third season.
I think the third season.
Okay.
The first season, which was time I did man now.
Dr. Last 2 seasons.
The early stages, last two seasons.
Okay.
Dr. Ogum. Yes. And Peter Amidu was scouted by Dr. Prospanato Ogum. And Nezubeka, the guy I'll call the Spanish league in me, Benasumwa. It's ideally say Kotoko any control over Joseph Ablo contract, Kotoko any control over Harry Ansu contract, over Samba contract, over Kamara contractor. Peter Amidu shouldn't be part of such players.
Why?
Because Kotoko ya trial ni na oboso omani no. What was the plan of the technical team?
This boy or the management, I will decide the man. Into Guabe trials, Kotoko. Now Kotoko afawa. And it doesn't guarantee say Kotoko benya full control over you.
The intermaker full control they say after Omunya, what was the succession plan of the technical team after conducting that trial?
They make an tiasiana. What did they make an
answer?
Say Attakora trials. Meeting. Na se mafawa. Me fana mafawa no. Ebi amafawa se me hu me pew. Ana mafawa. But me ni control also.
The data maker control say.
Who management omo na be che say okay me hu player we me pe no. Be say me sign 10 years. Player no si there be. Management no si there be. You ma 2 years. You ma 3 years. Me so me Attakora. Me ndai.
After I have conducted a trial. No. Remember here trial remember to me as selected as a possible candidate.
Still I have my management.
I have to give you conditions.
Attakora. My better trials. What for me? But still me bano na me makwa. I have a management or manage me.
So as at that point, Kotoko's management and the management of Peter Akwa, who are the superior power?
The management of Peter Amidu.
When Onyake Kebono.
I'm player. Okay, why trials? What who's open? Okay, me fan ma obey me then.
Then you let go.
Yes, it's Kotoko penal contract by. You sign 10 years, you sign 7 years, you sign 5 years. No, me sign 3 years. At that point, why na here na yonko? Ya wo Kotoko na here me player no. Until the me can no be.
Not in the case of a player. Only established. That's how I see it. Okay. It's the person me can say. You can have control over issues, especially when you gave such players the limelight to showcase themselves. Even after all, time about 1 year, didn't they have any plan for those players? Because we himself make a trial, after the trial, I should have succession plan of those players now. Minya omono. Ebia in the next 2 years, I'll be selling them. Ebia in the next 3 years, I'll be using them for this specific project. The management team and the technical team didn't have that in mind. And now it has gone to the state say, among these players are Omo Kenny Nano. Omona what me akase, he's not going to sign. So I think so moving forward. So Omo Timia trial we na Omo yi products of the trial. They should have a succession plan for those players. Ebi you are coming on board. Every 1 year, we will sit down with you to extend contract. Even though
management no status how many Peter Amidu din komo.
I don't know.
Obo the first 2 seasons we.
First 2 seasons?
Yes.
Why should it have been the first season?
It depends. Minimum reason there, but from my information I'm wanted to say they started this conversation long ago. Player na okay, you sign, mean sign. But as much as I season by about 1 season per call.
On 1 season crow.
About 1 season, yeah. About 1 season, we no koi. At that time now, you ever started second season, and I could connect on no. Any time they started negotiation, say, yeah, the man contract extension, your money and ye, I'm going to management, or more season when we near about second season, you ever started third season, the same thing, or your money, we are. So I want the aquaqueno. And yes, say, yeah, both season, na koba be yes, I don't know. They started long ago, but the management of the player, any player, they say they are not ready to extend that. And then at a point, Pitami ayi kono. Somewhere kono. Na enenam say contract biaba ana omon pese boy ne nso beko. Into we ya ogum started that second season no. Boy na ne modern money style bi.
Okay.
Peter Amidu akwa. Na ne modern mono ase omo ball crada. Ne mpanimfo psyche na no sai den. Because ohunu say enipa on ne nyina baaye no. Ye gya no kwan ma ne ko. Ana me de contract aba me ho a ye ma me nko. So what I say, Sana Kofa something by you know, it's a whole lot, but they are working. The management or more here, Juma say, bet me a convincing boys, no, my standard contract in their matching, you know, they are working.
But Eugene, in all things, I think the technical team should have a plan.
Okay.
If they had planned for such players, I think we wouldn't have gotten to this stage.
Oh, plan, if you are so me a technical team, my plan here. Na aton me mende
kafro Attakora so you utie the Attakora Kenya you see Attakora a legit point because at that time na Peter Amidu akwa eba no na ohia koroko more than koroko at that moment no
but at that time the player power no was rochen koto
Debbie
when you are not kick the ball
Debbie kwame tama na koroko efa Amidu akwa no na koroko ewo upper hand ewo ne so because that moment no ohia koroko more than koroko nya no. So enkoda sa no Amidu akwa sa no kwame unya wo mo a long term plan.
Okay.
So I think say yes
and Eugene Mebo has to folk together with Adisa Production and the GFE kwan yo mo fa so e promo the Super Clash no. I'm being told say Edefiada there's going to be a float majority streets of Accra just to announce the game. I think they have to do that and they are doing well because Eugene, you need the supporters in the stands. Now no you call Mohammed the Fee Sports Stadium. Okay, atmosphere no. Now they compare work by now. Difference no. So we have to build from somewhere.
Pass say Memorial won't care.